I like to greet my guests with a cold glass of champagne. Welcome to my house.
Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor and DIY projects all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright you guys, on this video I want to introduce to you our designer of the month for the month of September. His name is Gary Salinas with Gary's Interior Designs on Instagram and also on Facebook. I will leave those links down below for you guys to go check him out. I absolutely adore this designer because his design aesthetic is so bold and beautiful. I would love to introduce to you guys, so why don't we get started? Alright, as you guys know, I'm introducing a brand new designer of the month, and this month is Gary Salinas with Gary Interior Designs in Texas. I met this guy through Instagram and I just love his work aesthetic. He loves color, he loves bright and vibrant and beautiful hues of the most beautiful jewel tones, and he puts that in his house. I want to take you over to his house and introduce you, Gary, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm Gary from Gary's Interior Designs here in San Antonio, Texas. Interior design for me, it's not only just a hobby, it's a lifestyle.
I absolutely agree with Gary. Interior design is not a choice, it's definitely a lifestyle, and you can see our lifestyles reflected in our particular home. Gary, tell us, who inspires you the most to create beautiful spaces?
There's not one thing that inspires me to create beautiful spaces. Usually I'm inspired by so many things. It can be something such as nature, or for example like this crystal object I found in a vintage shop was my inspiration for this green emerald room.
I absolutely love the green of your room. It is such a beautiful hue of jewel tones. I'm in awe of your work, and I really know that so many of my viewers will be inspired by your beautiful aesthetic. Now tell us, Gary, where do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
I see myself in 10 years decorating the White House, but without the committee. Hey, a boy can dream, right?
Hey, you know why they say the world is for those who dare to dream, and I could not agree more with you. Dream big and reach for the stars. Now Gary, tell us, do you have a favorite quote when it comes down to design?
What happened to the little boy who got everything he ever wanted? He lived happily ever after. Willy Wonka.
That quote is one of my favorites also. I absolutely love it. Now Gary, tell us, who is your favorite designer?
My favorite designer has to be Miles Red. I just love the way he can mix patterns, textures in a sophisticated way, and he makes his work look just so timeless.
Miles Red to me is one of the kookiest designers out there, but I absolutely love his aesthetic because he really creates really beautiful and bold designs, and I can definitely see the influence in your design. What is your favorite design style, Gary?
My favorite design style is, of course, the Eclectic with a little bit of Moroccan and Parisian style.
I knew we had so much in common. Eclectic is also one of my favorite style designs. I love the way that you can mix all kinds of design, and as long as it is beautifully displayed, it can be as cohesive as any other particular style. Absolutely love your style, Gary. Gary, would you share with us, how do you discover your passion for design?
I discovered my passion for design at a very young age. I remember redecorating my mother's living room, and that inspired me to create beautiful spaces.
And what is your #1 design rule?
Buy the best, and you only cry once.
I cannot agree more with you, Gary. I really do agree that if you take your time to choose the right pieces for your home, like you say, you do not have to buy twice. Alright, well, thank you so much, Gary. I really appreciate the time you took to put this little video for our viewers to get to know you. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for Gary down below and let him know what you think about his particular design style. I'm gonna turn it over to you now. Please leave me a comment on the comment section below and let me know what is your favorite design style. I really want to know. And don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. And also don't forget to follow Gary on his social media, and I'm gonna link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. I believe that the best inspiration comes from others' inspiration, so I'm gonna make it my job to find new interior designers to share ideas with you guys. Back when I lived in Kansas, I heard about this kid. His name is Presley and he's an interior designer. He's fresh out of high school. He's only 18 years old, but his work is absolutely magnificent.